We're on to part 2, basic network security. Here's a basic network diagram. We've got out here the internet. That's always represented by a cloud. By the way, just a little trivia note, that's where the term cloud computing comes from. On network diagrams, you have the file servers and all the stuff that's inside that rectangle that represents the network. When you take your files and move them out to an internet service like Dropbox, you've moved it to that cloud part of the network diagram, and that's where cloud computing comes from. So that gives you a sense of a network. Anyway, the internet comes into the network, and then we've got a firewall that's monitoring the traffic that's going in and out. We've got a wireless access point. That's the thing with the antennas that's giving wireless access to the laptops that you see at the top of the diagram. Then we've got the wired computers that are the desktops. We've got a printer, and then we've got servers on some networks and other devices that might be there. And that's just a really basic network diagram to give you an understanding of how a network is structured as we go talk about these different components. First, as we come in from the internet, we have a firewall. Firewall, hugely important appliance within a network. A firewall is what sets the rules for what kind of traffic is allowed into the network and what kind of traffic is allowed out of the network. And the firewall kind of keeps an eye on everything that's coming in and going out, and if it sees something it doesn't like that's trying to get to the network, it can stop it and send out an alert. If it sees something that's trying to leave the network that it doesn't like, it can stop it and send an alert.